What a tech pack is just a blueprint of what you are trying to create. In Photoshop, how to get the colors, this is what you would do. We'll hop on my PC and I'll show you how to get the colorways for your design. Let's hop on my desktop real quick to show you what I did and what I'm asking for to my manufacturers. So this is the plushie I want to create. Here I'm just grabbing the color wheel. So what you would do is you would just make sure it's all CMYK. This is what you would do. You just go to mode, make sure it's CMYK, merge. You want to make sure you export it for legacy. Be sure when you're doing this, you got to make sure that it's set to GIF and change the color scheme or how many colors you want on said palette. For me, I said 8. 8 should be fine. So for this, we're going to do 8. Because of the soju bottle, we want to be sure this is pink. That should be blue, red, purple, and then navy on the chest. So we got to be sure about that. So there's 2 ways on how to get a specific color type, especially a Pantone color, because that's what a manufacturer is looking for. Pantone colors are universal, so whatever book they're looking at, it's going to be the color that you're going to be giving them, right? So first and foremost, you're going to go here. You're going to go click this. This is basically the color wheel. And so you're going to go to color libraries. In this color library, you're going to go to Pantone, CMY coded, because this is CMYK here. And you just click right here, and it should be the one that the box is highlighting. So you could literally just click here, and you could see what one is actually, it's like highlighting per se. So say for instance this, right? So say for instance, like boom, this is actually the one that you're looking for. If this is the blue for this drag specifically, right? So for this pink, it'd be right here. So this is the one that they're looking for. This is what you would give them. That's one way. The other way, double click on the fill right here. Right here in swatches, you could actually import these. You hit this gear icon here, you would import swatches. So swatches, right? So swatches is basically a color wheel or a definition of a file tab. So you would just need to type in color table, I believe. Oh, no, I think you got to make sure it's in the right one. So it's going to be color table. That's what you're going to look before. And here you can type, because that's what you named it. From there, you're going to scroll all the way down, and this is the color tab that you use. This is the 8 predominantly that we use. So boom, these are all your 8 colorways that you'll be using for the this is another way on how to figure out a specific color that if your manufacturer is asking. So this is a visual for them to see what color to add when you're building your plushie or whatever design that you were building or creating. So let me know if this helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Call me in the middle of the night when I'm stuck inside my mind, wishing we could start over.